Hello, beautiful one. Good evening. Good evening. I just want to say thank you to you all for your support and those of you that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. I just want to say thank you, a big thanks to you all, a big thanks to you guys. And please, if you are watching, please don't pass by. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. As you do that, God bless you. So I'm here for the men today. Today is for you men. So brother and sister, no, brothers, married, if you are married or you are into a relationship, you have a fiance. So please, brother, try to make your wife or your fiance be happy. Try to make your woman to be happy. Okay? Try to make your woman to be happy. Brother, you know, say when your woman, your girlfriend or your fiance, your wife, you are making them happy and they are happy towards you, into the relationship, into the home, they will be very happy to support you in everything you do. Even though you know who get money safe, they will stand for you gidigba. They don't get where they go. But say you be the type of man where they beat your wife, they beat your woman. If you will see wetin go hurt you sef, now she go be the first person go do am. When you know they give her happiness, it's not the right way. Okay, for example, the lady called me today and said she has been alone with her children, but she's watching my program about how single mothers everywhere, that the fault is not from them, the fault is from the men. I know sometimes the women might be wrong, and you can't listen to one and side the other one. No, I don't judge my own like that, but I'm just saying this as an advice to men out there. Please, brother, make your wife happy. Please, support your wife in the house chores. I know men are working. Even when you are working, the time you still came back, you rest more. If now one thing you want help your wife do for house, you feel help her do one. If not to bath the children, you do it together. Before you know, the job is over. Then you can rest together. It's good to stay together with your family so that your children will grow in peace, in happiness. You see fine woman or fine girl, now they waka they go. Wetin make am fine? Now because of the fine hair wey she put for head, or the fine cloth wey she wear, or the good cream wey she dey use to dey rub her skin, wey dey make her dey glow. Brother, do that to your wife. You go even surprise now, say your wife is even more beautiful than her. When you maintain her, you give her everything she wants, you support her to look beautiful. I know you don't have a lot to do that, but at least you try. If it is one thing you have to buy that is good, people will see it from her body and it's going to be a proudness to you as a husband or as the fiancé. If your woman look good today, it's a proudness to you as a man. If your woman look dirty today, people will still look upon you. So if you want men out there or women out there to be proud of you, take care of your home, take care of your wife, take care of your children. Support your family. Okay? Support your family. Support your children, support your wife. Let there be peace in your home. Love your wife. Even the Bible said it. Love your wife the same way you love yourself. Marriage is a blessing from heaven. So when you are doing the right thing in your home, God will always bless your marriage. God will always bless your relationship. That is when both of you are committed together. So please, brother, if you are the type that beats woman, it's not good. You have to stop. If you are the type of man that cheats upon your wife, it's not good. You have to stop. If you are the type that is not supporting your wife, please, you have to stop it and focus on your home. Build your home. Let people see your home out there. They will be jealous. Oh, I wish Nabi be this family. I wish I can be like them. It's a proudness to you as a father. It's a proudness to you as a husband. People see your children out there, happy together. You went to the supermarket, you went for shopping with your family. People will see to love to be like you. Okay, divorcing everywhere. Even people are even more scared to get married. No. Please. So this topic is for you today. And I love you all for your support and for your listening to me, for your care. And whenever you pass across my video, please don't forget to subscribe. As you do that, God bless you. I will be leaving you guys today. See you next time. Okay, love you all. Bye.